Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Hi guys, this is Himani and I'm here to show you my go-to makeup look for days when I'm running late. Everybody has been there. So it's super easy, it's quick and you don't need too many things for it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to prep my face using the NYX primer. Next, I'm going to conceal my dark spots and any other spots on my face using the LA concealer. So usually I would now go into the foundation, but because I'm running late and I don't have too much time, I'm going to skip that and get right into contouring. So for contouring, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match. So next step is blush. Now I never miss this step because obviously we all love the flushed look. So I'm going to use my Lakme Rose Blush for the same. So next I'm going to fill in my brows. Now this is a very crucial step because it will frame your face a whole lot differently, and I'm going to use my pencil from Diana of London. So this next step is optional. If you have the time, you could either use a liquid liner or use a kajal pencil as a liner and smudge it later. I'm going to use my Chambord pencil and later smudge it. So next I'm going to use my mascara. Now this step I wouldn't miss because it makes my eyes look bigger. So I'm going to use my mascara from Essence. So now to finish this look, I'm going to add a nice brown shade to my lips. For that, I'm using Mocha by MAC. And we're done. So this makeup routine won't take you more than 10 to 15 minutes. Do let me know what you think about the look in the comment section below. And for more makeup tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Beauty.